guys, ang sasabihin ko lang, common sense, in prayer, in knowledge, read between the lines sa pag-aresto kay Senator Marcoleta. Iilan na lang po kami dito. So, paano po nangyari na sa dami ng lumalaban, ang parati pong may kasalanan parate, yung lumaban o yung gustong lumabas yung totoo, no? So, I would dare say there's also a crisis of confidence. A crisis of confidence is not only in the administration but in all politicians. Anong problema nito? Ang makikinabang lang po dito yung extreme left at yung extreme right or yung komunista at yung pasista. Kasi sila po yung mga lumalaban na mali ang buong sistema at sila po ang mga kalaban ng democracy. So, regardless of our politics, we have to fight for democracy, for our democratic rights. And democratic rights, may freedom po talaga yan to speak out. May freedom po talaga yan na labanan ang corruption.